Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about negative words and how to make sentences with them. Topic words for today are no, none and not. After this video, we'll also have a free quiz so you can practice what you have learned today. Let's get started. Let's start with the word no. We use no when we make negative sentences. For example, I don't have money. Now we change it a bit with our word no. I have no money. I didn't have milk in my fridge yesterday. I had no milk in my fridge yesterday. In our examples, you can see that no comes before the noun. The word no already makes the sentence a negative one, and we use the verb in a positive form. I have no money. I had no milk in my fridge yesterday. The word none is used as a pronoun when we want to replace a noun. We don't use it before a noun, it stands alone. We use none when we don't need to repeat the noun in the sentence. For example, do you have money? None. How much milk do you have? None. Another negative word is not. The main difference with this word is that it requires us to use an auxiliary verb to make a sentence negative in most cases. For example, I have money. This is my positive sentence. Now I need to have a negative one. I do not have money, or a short version, I don't have money. So to make a negative sentence, I use the auxiliary verb from the present simple do plus our word not. I had milk yesterday. I did not have milk yesterday. So, to make a negative sentence, I use the auxiliary verb from the past simple did plus our word not. So, we use not with auxiliary verbs to be, have, do, did and modal verbs. But the word not doesn't need any auxiliary verbs if we use infinitives or gerunds when we make negative sentences. For example, I try not to be late for meetings. I decided not to spend money on a new dress. I enjoy not being late for meetings. I was upset about not getting the job. We can also use not to show contrast with adjectives, adverbs or nouns. For example, she is a doctor, not a nurse. This man was rude, not polite to me. The car moves fast on a highway, not slowly. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful, and to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. You might also like our grammar video about using gerunds and infinitives. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.